Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a death metal musician and I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a keto chicken salad. And this is a delicious chicken salad with Asian flavors. We're going to make a lovely dressing with some peanut butter. We're going to flavor the chicken with some curry powder. It's going to be delicious. But anyway, enough jibber jabber. Let's get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the chicken, and I'm using 2 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I'm just going to cover the chicken with some cling film and then with the flat end of a meat mallet just bash it out. Now the reason I'm doing this is so that it helps the chicken to cook evenly. However, this is an optional step, you don't need to do this. Also, if you can't get chicken thighs, you can do this with chicken breast, and alternatively you can also use chicken thigh with the skin on, no problem. Anyway, once I've beaten that chicken, it's time to season it. And I'm going to be seasoning it with some salt, some black pepper and some curry powder. Now I'm just using a generic curry powder that I picked up in Bangkok. And if you can't find curry powder where you live, you can also use paprika, cayenne pepper or even some cumin powder. Once you're done seasoning the chicken on one side, flip it over and then season it on the other. And once our chicken has been seasoned, it's time to get cooking. So I'm going to get my non-stick pan on the stove and I'm going to heat up some avocado oil. And once that avocado oil is nice and hot, I'm going to put my chicken thighs into the pan. Now because these are boneless and skinless chicken thighs, they won't actually take very long to cook. About 3 to 4 minutes on each side will do the job. Anyway, just let that chicken cook, and if you look at the sides of the chicken, you will see the color start to turn white. That means it's cooking all the way through. And now I'm gonna flip them over. And oh yeah, just look at that chicken. It looks delicious. Look at that beautiful golden crust on the chicken. I could eat it right now, but I won't. Anyway, like I said, this doesn't take very long, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And well, our chicken thighs are ready. So I'm just going to take them out and put them on a plate and let them rest. Because they've had a hard day, you know. Anyway, now on to making the dressing for our salad. And I'm going to start with a full tablespoon of peanut butter. All natural, no sugar added. To that, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of water. And then I'm going to microwave it for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to give it all a good whisk, and basically what we're doing is we're thinning out the peanut butter here. So once that's been done and you've got a nice thin and runny peanut butter, we are going to now add the next thing in. So in goes a nice big squeeze of some lemon juice. You can also use lime juice, no problem. Then I'm going to add a little bit of soya sauce. You can also use coconut aminos if you don't want to use soya sauce. Either one of them is fine. About a teaspoon. I'm also going to throw in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Next I'm going to season this with some salt and some black pepper and the resting juices from the chicken. And I'm going to give it all a good whisk. And that's it. Our salad dressing is pretty much ready. Oh, but wait a minute, I forgot to add a little bit of stevia for a little bit of sweetness. And I give it a final good mix and our salad dressing is ready. And before I assemble the salad, I want to chop up that chicken and I'm going to cut nice big pieces. If you want, however, you can chop it up into smaller pieces, no problem. And that chicken looks absolutely spectacular. I mean, you could just eat it on your own. But don't eat it with the salad since we're going through all the trouble. Now to assemble the salad, I'm just going to get a plate and put in my greens. So I've just purchased like a ready salad mix from the supermarket. I'm pretty sure you can get this anywhere. Otherwise, you can just get some lettuce, maybe a little bit of baby spinach, maybe some shredded cabbage and make your own salad mix. So anyway, I'm going to pour the dressing over that mixed salad of mine. And you can see mine has some cherry tomatoes as well. Once I've poured the dressing over, I'm going to sprinkle over some white sesame seeds for a little bit of crunch, and also some black sesame seeds. And then on goes the star of the show, our chicken. And finally, I'm going to finish it with a little bit of fresh coriander, or as some of you know it, cilantro. And ladies and gentlemen, your chicken salad is ready. Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. In case you are looking for a full keto meal plan, you can click here on the I button and watch my Keto for Beginners series. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen for more keto recipes. And of course, do hit that bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new recipe video. Anyway folks, that's enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, have you checked out the latest Headbanger's Kitchen merchandise? We've got some amazing new designs, like the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. Cauliflower is the new potato. In fact, below every video you should see a merch shelf where you can see the t-shirts that we have available. Let me know in the comments if you can see the merch shelf. If not, in the description box just below this video, you will find links to order these t-shirts. Anyway, if you want some more keto recipes, just click here. Otherwise, listen to some of my music here. Take care. Stay safe. Horns up.